Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Yeah, on the VeChain chart, we have seen a reaction to this support area. This is the daily chart, and this is how the roadmap into the resistance area could look like. This is the first resistance area I'm going to watch. Any break above it would allow for a more bullish interpretation, but for now, as I said in previous updates, doesn't matter if I'm tracking the yellow scenario, which is bearish, or at least means we have to be on the side of caution on the larger time frame, or if I'm tracking the really bullish scenario, there's no point focusing on the more bullish one if there is a bearish one where things could go wrong along the way. Okay, so that keeps us grounded in risk management. Because why does it not matter? Because in the short term, as long as this micro support area is holding there at 1.82 to 2.3 cents, the focus would be on higher prices anyway. Now, any break below that 78.6 retracement level down there of this rally that happened between June 23 and February 24 or March, as long as we're holding above it, the focus is on higher. But now we need to see how the structure develops from the low. We don't have enough structure really to say what it is. Certainly looks a bit more like a three-wave move up, so I'm assuming wave one could be unfolding right now, and if we then get a wave two pullback, I mean, that could be an opportunity. Yeah, I mean, it's not very clear yet what this is. One second. I certainly haven't seen yet a clear 5-wave move up. It might need one more high for this wave one. We will see, but overall, I mean, if a pullback occurred now, the price must not break below the November low. I mean, that is what I highlighted in the last few days for many of these altcoins. The key level at the moment, I mean, considering the November low could be a stop level, the reward to risk ratio on many of these coins is still phenomenal, right? So a lot of people watch Doge, right? I mean, Doge is, it's performed well, but it's already rallied significantly from our support region. Now, VeChain hasn't. And there are many other coins that haven't. So today, H-bar moved, and again, this can be so quickly. And we have a lot of coins that are still either in support levels or that are just trying to leave these support areas. VeChain is just try to leave one, right? But it's only just left, okay? And there is still plenty of upside potential. But again, condition is that the November low is holding. So, okay, the November low, but is there a support level, a micro support or something? Well, I'm going to delete it now again because this is on the long-term chart here, but it's the 2.1 cent level. So support is between 2.1 cents and 2.5 cents on the micro level here. This wave two, if it's starting already, but it might get one more high in wave one. Well, at no point, basically, what that means is at no point VeChain should break below 2.1 cents now if this is an overall bullish scenario. Because if it breaks below it, it indicates weakness, and we could test the next support at 1.8 cents, but then we cannot assume anymore that a low has formed. And if we talk about, again, the next resistances, so if really the yellow count is playing out, the price should take us to at least 6.1 cents, 8.8, maybe 14.7. If we see the structure fits better to the white count along the way, we can say that this is going to be the leading scenario. In the short term, it won't matter because even a rally to 6 cents is significant. So let's first see if the price can hold a higher low in the next pullback, and that could be a setup for higher prices. I mean, we already have had this setup here, the orange box, but obviously on the smaller time frame, further smaller degree setups can develop. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.